Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
You're listening to Lighten Up with Ken Davis, brought to you by Compassion International.